Rich gourd. It has nutritional and alkaline food. It has a lot of iron in it. And not only that, good for eyesight and our liver, everything, it's a very good vegetable. Lots of people don't know about it. So we will try to do something about it. Now, I'm going to make a preparation with this rich gourd. Come, we will see how we are going to do and what are the ingredients we need. We need rich gourd, and along with that, onions, garlic, almond paste I have taken, moldy fish, green chilies, curry leaves, all that we need. Milk, half a cup, and all the seasoning that we have, we will need all that and prepare this preparation. Along with that, we need oil also. We will see how we are going to prepare this now. This rich gourd, how to cut it, it's very important. Lots of people don't know how to cut. Some of them know, but not everyone. So we will see how you have to cut and take this, right? Now, first thing, I will take this rich gourd, cut it. I'll cut into two, then it's easy for me. And then see what I'm doing. The top portion, don't cut the whole thing, only the top piece you have to cut it. You have to cut only the top piece. Can you see that? Don't cut the whole skin. Skin is very important. So don't cut the skin. It's only the top piece that you have to cut it. Cut into two. You can see how it looks like, the rich gourd. So cut it into small pieces like this. And whatever you want to do with that, anything, using this fruit, they think, oh, we will avoid this. But no, it's nutritional. Remember that. So I have already cut into pieces and kept it. Washed, cut, and kept it ready for us. Now what I am going to do is, I will put a little oil. After that, onions. Then the garlic, curry leaves, green chilies. Almond paste, we'll use it later. Moldy fish also, we will use it later. A little salt I put. Now, I don't want that to get fully tempered. Slowly, I'm going to put the rich gourd. Since I put the rich gourd, now we will, a little more oil I'll put because it's not enough. Generally, I put, first thing I put only a dessert spoon of oil. Now I put a little more oil, another dessert spoon, so that it will get tempered. So while it is getting tempered, I'll make a small space and I'll add the moldy fish. That is, if you like, you add moldy fish. If you don't want moldy fish, you can avoid it. Okay? Temper it nicely. Now I will add more salt. Turmeric, a little bit of turmeric. The rich gourd is very good. As I told you, it has nutritional value in it and it's very good for eyesight. These type of vegetables, once a week at least, if you can eat, it's good. Now I have put only salt and turmeric. Now I will use a little pepper. Slowly, slowly we are using all this. Remember, pepper and the little chili pieces. I put the almond paste. It's a healthy preparation, so good for health and it's good for all of us, mainly for children. Everyone will love it. So please give them to have this type of preparation. For 3/4 cup of milk I have put. If you like, you can put a little bit of chili powder. Don't want to use a lot, but a little bit of chili powder. If you want, you can have it with a little gravy or without the gravy. It's left to you. So we will allow it to simmer slightly. While we are allowing it to simmer, now I have prepared this vegetable. It's very nice. If you like, you can have it with more gravy. Then I put only 3/4 cup of milk. You can put 1 or 1.5 cup of milk and prepare this so that it will be really nice and tasty. And lastly, I put a little coriander leaf so that that also gives a little bit of flavor in it. Now I am taking this and going to dish out because it's a glassware. I put a small spoon, otherwise it will start cracking. And it's just hot, straight from the cooker. I'm putting it into this. So what will you do? Slowly you have to remember that. Slowly put it with the spoon inside so that it doesn't crack. This is the vegetable that I have given you, and it's a very nice vegetable, very important vegetable, I would say. It's so nice and it's so delicious. So, just a very simple preparation that I have done. But anyway, the vegetable is the nutritional one. I told you, no. So, you can always use with rice. You can have it with pittu. You can have it anything, even with rotis. It's nice. So you can have this type of preparation, which is very healthy, good, and eat once a week, not more than once a week, and it's very good. And I hope you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation because this is healthy.